Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create pie chart in Excel with the filtered data. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data. So here I'm going to create first pivot table. To create pivot table, simply select the data. You just drag your mouse and you can select here entire data. And second way, simply select the inside the cell and you can use here shortcut key Ctrl A to select the entire data. Then go to the Insert tab. In Tables group, click on the Pivot table, click on the first option from Table or Range. And here you can see the one dialog box is open, Pivot table from Table or Range. Select the table or range here automatically selected and choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. The new worksheet is default selected and click on OK, and here you can see the new sheet is added with the pivot table fields right hand side and pivot table analyze tab and design tab. So here I'm going to create a pivot table. Drag the fields below the areas to create the pivot table. So just drag the order ID in filters, product in row and total price in values, and that's it. Your pivot table is created. Okay, now I'm going to create pie chart. To create the pie chart, simply select the inside the cell of the pivot table and go to the Insert tab. In Charts group, click on the Pie Charts option. Select the 2D pie, first one, and here you can see the pie chart is inserted. After the pie chart, I'm going to insert the slicer to filter data of pivot table. So simply select the pivot table and go to the pivot table analysis. In filter group, click on the insert slicer. And here select the slicer those you want. So I select the product. I want to filter data as per the product. So I select here the product. Then click on the OK. And here you can see the product list showing in slicer. Simply click on the any product and you can see here data is filters as per the product, and same as pie chart also change as per the filters. Okay, I select here the multiple product. To select the first product, then hold the control key of the keyboard, then select the other products. So I select here the 4 product and here you can see the 4 products is filtered in pivot table as same as in pie chart also 4 product data showing. Okay, the chart is indicate only 4 product. Okay, so this is a way you can create here the pie chart in Excel with the filters data. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.